Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So again, dropping below our trend line that we did mention, again, dropping below 455 was exactly what we were looking for and exactly what happened here. Continuing on lower with an inverted hammer to the downside just below our 21-day moving average. Where exactly may we be headed leading into next Thursday's CPI report? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for from here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers that you want to be watching. For example, here with EVGO, looking for a continuation on above our $5 psychological level, continued on all the way up here to $5.95 on the day. A very nice continuation, one of many movers that we mentioned throughout the week. Again, go to instables.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the SPY with you guys here again, looking at our daily candle structure so we can anticipate what we're looking for going into tomorrow and going into next week. Again, as we sit on an inverted hammer on exactly our possible support, now looking like resistance to the upside. Again, with a wick to the upside, exactly on our 21-day, what we are looking for from here is to see if our 8-day again does cross below our 21 like we mentioned yesterday. If we possibly get that bearish candle structure to the downside below our 8-day by crossing below our 21 here. So again, that is going to be the larger reaction move to the downside if we are going to continue on lower. Watching our neckline here as we do bounce exactly here on our neckline is exactly what we're looking for from here. So again, a continuation back below our 447.50 level that we mentioned prior for that possible continuation higher is going to be that possible confirmation back lower to retest our 50-day moving average. That will be the watch as far as bears to the downside. Now, as far as bulls, and what we want to see here is a possible continuation on this green candle bounce here. Looking to see if we can get back above our 8-day and get our 8-day to start to curl back up to see if we can get that continuation on respecting our 8-day. That would be that play to the upside here if we jump back above our 8-day for that possible continuation to retest our 459 and then 462 level again from our major gap down that we had prior here again in 2022. So again, 462 our next resistance if we happen to overextend, but again now sitting on this cool off after again for our 3rd day increasing in sell pressure, continuing on above our prior sell pressure points like we mentioned a couple days ago that we were looking for to confirm that we were increasing in strength to the downside. Sure enough, very cautious to the upside and continuing on now lower. What we can assume from here is that if we are going to continue on lower with strength, that we will need to retest our 8-day and get the bearish candle structure to the downside here if we are going to confirm with that swing momentum to the downside. Now looking at our weekly candle structure again, now sitting on an engulfing candle to the downside, not covering our upper wick, showing us that we could possibly still bounce, sitting within our upper trend line here on our weekly chart, showing us that we can possibly bounce. Again, we can continue on possibly higher here if we do bounce within our upper weekly trend line here. Again, simply looking to see exactly how we hold our 8 weekly moving average from here after our engulfing candle to the downside will be the watch going into next week. And in my opinion, tomorrow's candle will show a lot of where we are headed next. Now looking at a monthly candle structure, again, we mentioned this a week ago, again, with the momentum candle to the upside that we mentioned that was running into multiple wicks to the upside prior, that we could possibly open our next candle with an inside body candle. That's exactly what's been happening here, now sitting within consolidation, looking for proof of concept if we will continue on higher. Currently watching our 8 monthly moving average to see exactly how we bounce off of our 8 monthly moving average to continue on higher, possibly overextend to highs of the year. I mean, the last couple of years that we have been looking for again from 2021. And now again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers that you want to be watching, again, like we mentioned here with EVGO jumping out the gate, jumping up above our $5 psychological level, continuing on all the way to $5.95 on the day. A very nice run, one of many that we mentioned throughout the week. Go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. And again, all of you Instables continuing to stick with the market gives us like we had here with EVGO. Very nice runs this last week, even though we've been having very low volume in the market overall. We will continue to take what the market gives us as we have been. And again, continue to stay blessed is our #1 focus as always. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all. And I'll see you guys in pre-market.